Say hello to the OnePlus Pad 3, the best tablet OnePlus has ever made, and probably the best value flagship tablet you could buy. Like, this kills the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10. It kills the iPad Pro, the 2024 model. I mean, or do we have a 2025? I don't know. The latest and greatest one. If you want to get a 13-inch iPad Pro, you're going to pay $12.99. I'm going to tell you the price now for this. You can get this, the OnePlus Pad 3, just over a 13-inch screen, 13.2-inch, and you get it for $6.99. And I've got some more information on that because you can also get 2 exclusive pre-order gifts with it. So if you pre-order it, they have a folio case, they have a keyboard case, which the keyboard case is actually insanely good, $200 value, and they also have their stylo. They've got their stylus that you can get with it. They let you pick 2 of those for free to go along with this if you pre-order it. So imagine getting a flagship tablet, OnePlus Pad 3, Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, 3.4K resolution display. Like, the screen is beautiful. The screen is beautiful. Big, beautiful, 89% screen to body ratio, doesn't have big bezels on it, 900 nits brightness, all that great stuff, and you can get it for $6.99. So do you want to buy an iPad Pro 13-inch and pay $12.99 and not get the case and not get the keyboard or not get the stylus? All that stuff's going to run you like $1,700. So the intrinsic value built into this with that pre-order deal makes it off the charts. I mean, it's a great deal at $6.99 already. It's got probably the biggest vapor chamber you can get in a tablet. It's got just over a 12,000 milliamp battery. Yes, just over 12,000. Plus, it comes with a charger in the box. So you get a 80-watt charger in the box. You get the charging cable, and then you get your choice. And I highly recommend the keyboard case. The keyboard case is phenomenal, and then go ahead and get the stylo to go with it. I mean, you can spend the extra $50 or whatever and buy the folio case later if you want it, if you want to get the trifecta. But the stylus is really good, works really well, pairs very, very great with the OnePlus Pad 3, do your creativity, all that stuff. Of course, Circle to Search is built in, it's got Gemini, all those great things. And there's not really a whole lot of shortfalls. I mean, the camera's okay. It's got a 13 megapixel primary, 8 megapixel selfie. That's not something a lot of people use whenever it comes to a tablet. I don't think you're going to take this to your kid's orchestra recital with this big, it's like 670 grams, it's about 1.5 pounds, and you do get some hand fatigue holding on to it the whole time. It makes an insanely good, basically, laptop. It's just like, very much like whenever you use the Samsung Galaxy tablets, you use the keyboard with that, and you get kind of like a laptop experience. This gives it very much like a laptop experience, of course, and it's nice too because the keyboard case is 2 parts. You can connect the back, which has the stand, so you can adjust it, and then you can use it Bluetooth, or it's got the 3 little magical pogo pins, so you get the direct keyboard connection on the back, and you can use it basically like a laptop. And you can do some insane gaming on this, and they say that you can do up to about 6 hours of AAA title gaming before you even need a charge. So you could play Call of Duty, Warzone, Genshin Impact, PUBG, whatever, for about 6 hours on this sucker, and then just plug in the 80-watt charger, and you can get it recharged quick, fast, and in a hurry. But it's got a lot of great things going for it, and this thing, I mean, I've tested out the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, I've tested out the I've tested out also the iPad. I've got the iPad Air for this year, and it's nice too, but it costs just as much as this. It's like $600. I would much rather buy this any day of the week, and of course, I do love Android. Android's great. I love Oxygen OS. It's nice. It's customizable. It's fast. It's one of the best versions of Android that you can get because they take stock Android. They put their little bit of flavor on it. It's super fast. It's super zippy, and this is something that you can enjoy watching videos on. It's something you can enjoy playing games on. It's got incredible standby time. It basically lasts forever, and a 12,000 milliamp battery, and something that's this thin. I mean, this is a really, really thin tablet, and on top of that, it doesn't have a big camera bump on the back, so you don't have to worry about that causing a whole lot of serious wobbleness issues. But if you've got this in the folio case, if you've got it in the keyboard, that's going to be great, and you can carry it around. You can use it for work, use it for school, use it for play, and it doesn't break the bank. And that's one thing that I love about the OnePlus stuff. I just, as soon as I saw this, I'm like, wow, this is really nice. And they swung for the fences. It's not an Exynos chip. It's not a Dimensity chip. It's not something from MediaTek. It's not something from Samsung. You get the top of the line Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which has been recognized as being incredibly powerful, has almost a 3 million Antutu score. This is something that you're going to be able to take this. It's going to be impressive. It's got an all-metal unibody design. Again, 8 speakers. It's got 2 microphones. You got the USB-C charging on the bottom. I wish they had expandable SD card storage. I wish that it had a little bit more storage options, but 256 and 12 gonna be fine for most folks. And yeah, at $699, that's an insane deal. So if you want to buy one, definitely get it during the pre-order, and you can get this over at OnePlus. I've got a link in the description for that. It's not even an affiliate link. I'm just letting you know where it's at. And the pre-order deal is where it's at. Because, yes, again, like I said, this is an incredible tablet. It has a lot of capabilities. This isn't something where it's like, oh, yeah, they put a dumbed-down processor in it. It's got last year's MediaTek chipset. They even outdid Samsung in a lot of ways, and they just swung for the fences, put the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor here, the same chip that's in the OnePlus 13, the same chip that's in the S25 series phones, and I've used that and I've tested it out in so many different phones and different platforms already. It is probably the best Snapdragon chipset that's ever been made, and it's nice. And you get a 13.2-inch display. Like, the sucker is huge. I do wish they had like an 11-inch model because I do like the smaller tablets. But if you're a big tablet kind of guy, if you want to use this as a laptop replacement, you want to travel with it, you want to go with it for work, you want to have it for play, and that's a great thing. You've got such great battery life on this thing, and then you can recharge it so quick, fast, and in a hurry because it has that 80-watt charger brick inside the box. Like, they're not screwing you like other brands do. They give you the charging brick, a super insanely fast charging brick with high charging speeds, and everything you need to do to keep topped up whenever you're going around. Plus, it has insane standby time. And also, like I said, it's got that, I believe it's just about the biggest vapor chamber possible, if not in the industry, when it comes to tablets. So what that does is it keeps the temperature down, keeps it from getting too hot when you're doing stuff, really does a great job dissipating that heat. And it's such a nice tablet. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. I don't like that it doesn't have a fingerprint scanner. All you have is you can put in your PIN, or you can do the pattern or a password, and you have facial recognition. Facial recognition is okay. The selfie camera on here is all right. It's something where you're not going to win any National Geographic prizes with the cameras on this thing. I don't really look at the cameras on any tablets. For me, it's like, okay, snap a quick picture of something real quick for reference, or you use the selfie camera for a Zoom call. You use it for a Microsoft Teams meeting. Something like that is perfectly fine for that. And I got to say, the keyboard on this thing is really enjoyable to type on, has built-in shortcuts, and it's even cool because there's a built-in NFC tile. You can use your phone, or Bluetooth NFC, yeah. You can tap your phone and you can transfer images and all sorts of stuff to the actual tablet. And you can even use the keyboard with the tablet to control your Mac. Yes, you can use the apps that they have along with the keyboard, along with the tablet, and you can control your Mac, like your MacBook, Mac PC, whatever, on Mac desktop. So they've got some ingenuity in here. You can airdrop stuff between your OnePlus 13. You can share your data connection. You've got a dual connection mode where you can use the internet connection on your phone, and it bypasses it and sends it over connected seamlessly with your tablet, and you can share the internet connection and piggyback off of that. So I've tested out and I reviewed the OnePlus Pad. It was good. I tested out and reviewed the OnePlus Pad 2. It was also good. It was some improvements here and there, not too much of an upgrade. And then I really feel like they swung for the fences with this one. And like I said, if the tablet's not good enough, if the tablet's not convincing enough, take a look around and see what you can get from Samsung for $699. It ain't this. Much less getting a $200 keyboard case, much less getting a stylus that goes with it, much less taking a look at the iPad Pro, $1299 for a 256 model. Here's your 256 with 12 gigabytes. That's plenty. That's going to be enough future-proof RAM. You're going to get support for several years out of this thing. And they do bi-monthly security patches. They don't do monthly ones, but they do a decent job keeping them updated. And overall, I'm a big fan of OnePlus. I've been covering their stuff for a long time. This is the tablet to beat this year. Like, nothing that Apple or Samsung makes can compete anywhere near with what you get with the power, the performance, the support, the accessories, especially through the pre-order stuff. The stylus is great. And it's got such a beautiful screen, 3.4K resolution, 144 hertz refresh rate. Not 120, not 90, not 60. It goes up to 144 hertz. And it's got 12-bit video. It's got all sorts of stuff that give you such a beautiful display and allow you to really enjoy watching your movies, playing your games, doing your schoolwork, doing your work, using this on the go, recharging it super fast, and then the battery lasts a long time. So I give it 2 thumbs up. I think it's the best tablet you can buy for your money by a wide margin. And I think it's a great reason to look at OnePlus. A lot of people don't look at OnePlus because they're like, well, I like Samsung. Well, I like Apple. Do you like Apple and Samsung $600 more plus accessories? Probably not. So this is the biggest head-turning reason to look at a OnePlus Pad, OnePlus tablet ever. And it's really nice. So that's all I got in my review. If you have any questions, comments, gripes, concerns, complaints, all that stuff, please, of course, go to the comment section. I'll do my best to get back with you. Make sure you get the pre-order deal if you want one, because you're going to kick yourself later if you don't get it, because that's like $200 plus extra stuff for free on top of the $699, and it gives you all that extra flexibility, all the different multitasking capabilities. Of course, you have 3 different apps windows open at the same time, and you can use that stylus. It works great, just like the S Pen almost with Samsung. They do a great job. Bluetooth connectivity, charges by putting it on the tablet itself. And there's just so many nice things here to like. Like, I could just keep going on and on, but I need to shut it up and get on down the road. So that's all. Again, go to the comment section if you want to talk there. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.